The Pabasa, a traditional Catholic ritual of chanting the Passion of Christ, has been an integral part of Holy Week observances for generations. In San Fernando, Pampanga, this remains a vibrant, deeply rooted tradition that continues to thrive in both private homes and public spaces, including churches and chapels. Our PTV correspondent Rod Lagusad tells us more.
The Pabasa is one of the traditional activities held every Holy Week in the province of Pampanga. Here in San Fernando, those practices are still very much alive, a deeply rooted tradition that continues to thrive. According to San Fernando City Tourism and Investment Promotions Officer Ching Pangilinan, the Pabasa consists of chants narrating the passion and death of Jesus.
Kasi dati hindi naman lahat ay may access sa mga liturgical documents, for example. Kaya yung iba, nagkaroon sila ng sarili nilang interpretation or mga version ng Passion of the Christ. Yun. Kaya yung ibang mga families, meron kang makikita handwritten yung mga script nila. Minsan sa bahay-bahay lang nila o kaya sa mga sitio or purok, doon sila nagkakaroon ng mga pabasa, no?
Some are also held in churches or chapels. One example is at the Santa Lucia Parish Church, where the tradition continues, typically performed in Kapampangan.
Dapat po continue siya, bawal siyang putulin. Kasi dapat it's Bible to Bible, from cover to cover, tas matatapos siya sa isang rosaryo or rosary. Ganun po siya. Meron siyang kanya-kanyang tono ay medyo lumaki na siya. May mga kanya-kanyang tono kung paano nila ito ikakanta. Pero meron ding mga traditional way na pagkanta ng pabasa.
The youth also take part in Pabasa, helping to keep the tradition alive. It has become a community activity that is practically open to everyone.
Every year po ay nagpapabasa po kami. So hindi po kami nag-susolicit para dun sa mga pagkain po, no? So yung mga mismong choir ko po, being the president ng choir sa parokya, kami po yung nag-aambag-ambagan para dun sa pabasa at pakain po.
Meanwhile, even before Good Friday, some residents of Barangay San Pedro Cotuda have already begun their acts of penitensya or penitence. One of them is Oliver, who has been doing this for over a decade.
Laki pong Katoliko, sir. Ganun na po yung pagkasalanan. Natural naman po sa atin yun. Wala na pong malinis na tao sa atin. Dala po ng kinalakihan ko po, sir. Ginawa ko rin po. Kasi alam ko po na may kasalanan din po ako, hindi po ako perfect.
He says that while doing this, he focuses on prayer and no longer feels the physical pain of his act of penance. Rod Lagusad from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.